How to generate insane AI art for beginners, Midjourney V5. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a free AI generator to create beautiful pieces of art in just a few minutes. Step 1. Set up Discord. Make sure you have a Discord account set up. If you don't have it, navigate to discord.com and download it or simply sign in through your browser. Discord is like WhatsApp for communities, and it's completely free to use. Step 2. Build your prompt. In a new browser tab, navigate to iText Prompt Generator. It's a tool to generate mind-blowing prompts fast. It's completely free to use and has over 1 billion possible prompt creations. Click the link in the description. Generate your prompt and copy it. Step 3. Join the iText Prompt Generator Discord server. Click the link in the description below. Once you've confirmed the invite, you can join one of the OneMid users' channels and type /imagine to tell the AI what you want to generate. For example, you could type in a lion in the jungle to generate a scene with a lion. This will tell the Midjourney bot to generate your images. Step 4. Set aspect ratio inversion. Set the aspect ratio of your image by adding R2:3 to set your aspect ratio to wide. Next, add V5 to use version 5 of the Midjourney AI model. Step 5. Generate your images. Once you hit enter, the AI will generate multiple options for you to choose from. You will be provided 4 images, and can choose the ones you like. For example, if you like the third option, click the U3 button below the images to upscale a single image of that one. Step 6. Get full resolution image. On the free account, you can generate up to 25 images. But if you want to generate more or keep your images private, you'll need to upgrade to a paid account for $10 a month. To get the full resolution image, simply add the email emoji as a reaction to the AI's message, and it will send you the image via DM. And that's it. With some basic knowledge, you can use this AI generator to create stunning pieces of art in just a few minutes. And if you're new to AI generated content, be sure to check out the other links in the description.